So you will need a drill bit for this. I did have to remove that tab, so that extra, and now we have an extra tab here, and just drill a little hole. You can get any drill bit. You just need to widen the hole a little bit, so your ground can fit there. So the hook can close properly. So you will need to do this. You might need to make some a little bit more adjustments. Like I say this process will take about 10 to 15 minutes here, but it is pretty simple. I'm just giving y'all some more clips here, but it is simple. All right, so it did end up getting it to work. I did break off my piece, but I can just kind of glue it back on there. But it does work. Just kind of gotta attach another wire on there, or I just did a test thing on there, but it does work. So I'll show y'all real quick. I had to pull up like I'm taking out the radiator, so I had to remove. Let's give you an example. One screw on this side technically. 2 screws at the top and then a screw right there, and that's pretty much it. You just got to remove the clips. And I was able to prop this up, but when I popped it up I broke this, but other than that it still is good. Like I said, I'm just gonna throw some on here real quick. Let me show y'all real quick. And by the way, this is the only spot I can find. If you get like a spot right here, you're not going to be able to get a wire in. It's easier in my opinion to go right here. I mean, I guess you can move up under here and kind of trying to put a wire here, but I think that's harder when you can just move those like 8 bolts, 10mm bolts, and that's it. But let me show y'all real quick, and it does work. Here, see y'all. So once again, that does work. You see, so the ground is perfect. You just gotta get a ground. Yep. And that's pretty much it. All right, so I didn't glue anything together. I actually found these on AliExpress, a set of 2 of those right there that you see on the screen. Just found a set of 2 for like a couple of dollars. I'll probably put it in the link in the description below. But when I broke it, I found that I was like, man, I really need this. I didn't want to glue it back, and I did find it. And then you can just go this route right here. You don't have to connect it, and you don't have to remove anything. You don't have to remove the bolts or anything. You can just cut the wire and just wire it up that way. It's simpler, it's easier. It's probably about a 10-minute install, to be honest with you. 10-15 minutes at best, but it's showing you that it all works. There you
go. Hard for me.